Babe, we got another package from Amazon. I just had to see what it is. It's on Halloween. Just get a Halloween package. These little papers, but I don't know what they are. Stainless steel silicone bottom mixing bowls with lids. They don't look like bowls. There's nothing in here that says where they're from. It's, oh. Enjoy your gift from You Might Chef. You Might Chef. Oh, they're pretty. All different colors. Like stacking bowls. That's pretty cool. They don't slip. And they got lids. Seem to fit pretty good. Check that out.
Nice. It looks like it's bigger than our other bowl.
Yeah. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Different sizes. Fun colors. And they all got little non-slip things on the bottom.
And all the cat cares about is the box.
Thank you, You Might. We definitely will use these. Make some pasta salads and little other salads or whatever. Dinner's done. Dinner's done. All right, we gotta get this box down for the cat. Thank you, You Might. Oh, You Might Chef.